Hello, wanted to talk a little bit about this amazing Luscious Lemon Hand Foaming Soap. Oops. Yep, it's a little bit backwards. Hopefully it'll turn around. But anyway, this is the newest foaming hand soap, and I'm going to just talk a little bit about it. And I just wanted you to see how great it works. So here it is. Just put a couple pumps and start washing your hands. Do that for like 20 seconds, right? Do the amazing, and make sure you scrub the palms like this instead of, you really don't need to do the back as much as you need to do the top and your fingertips. Let's talk a little bit about this Luscious Lemon Foaming Hand Soap. What it is so crazy good for is not drying out your hands because it's all plant-based and it is made in the USA. It is really amazing with the aloe base in there. It's also got lemon oil, lemon myrtle, ylang-ylang, spearmint, eucalyptus oils in it. And if you've never smelt those ones, you guys, ylang-ylang is really good for balancing out those hormones. Eucalyptus is, it's like that really good, deep, reminds me of the Finnish saunas when I go in there. The eucalyptus leaves, it smells so good. And lemon myrtle, like I heard someone describing it as like those lemon head candies, like so intense, so yummy. It's one of my favorite oils to diffuse, along with lemon. And lemon smells good. You know what lemon smells like? Well, when you smell the lemon oil that's in it, it smells just like that, fresh out of the lemon when you cut it. And then a couple other things they have in there is the ginkgo biloba, sunflower oil or sunflower seed oil, and cinnamon cassia oil. So all good things that are all plant-based, like I said, and made in the US. If you want to try it, let me know. Free this month with the sign up with the PSK.